Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna share 3 exercises that are so effective to reduce eye strain and tension headache. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize the skin. Exercise number 1 is forehead lift. This exercise will open the lymph nodes that are located in here, and it will relax you by releasing the tension in the forehead and brow muscles. Massaging around the eyes is also beneficial for your vision, skin, and overall well-being. Whether you're battling puffiness, dark circles, eye strain, or tension headache, this gentle technique can work for you. Exercise number 2 is temple massage. This is one of the most effective exercises to open the lymph nodes in here. When lymphatic drainage is poor, fluid can accumulate around the eyes, causing puffiness and a sensation of pressure. This can lead into the forehead or temples, triggering tension headache and eye strain. Gentle lymphatic drainage helps flush out stagnant fluid and toxins. Exercise number 3 is eye area press. With your fingertips, start to press firmly around the eyes for 30 seconds. Massaging this area also boosts blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to tired tissues. This was it for today's easy and quick eye area routine. Hope it was helpful.